Today we are going to learn about SSL secure connection or SSL certificate, which can be installed on our website to prevent hacking and for better security of a website. So let's start. First, you need to log into cloudflare.com. The link is given on the description. Then you need to log in or sign up. If you have already account, then you can log in or just click on sign up. Then a simple form will appear where you have to enter your email address and password. After entering your email address and password, a confirmation mail will be sent to your email. Confirm the mail, then sign in to this account. After logging in for the first time, you will see add your site option. Here you can add your website. Suppose my website name is testmysiteonline.com. Then click on add site button. After that, here you will see two name servers which you need to change from where you have bought your domain. Suppose you have bought your domain from godaddy.com, then you have to change your name servers from GoDaddy account. After you have changed your name server, then just click on recheck your name servers. This may take up to several hours or minutes depending on your website's size. Log into your WordPress account and then go to the option plugin, then add new. Here go to the search panel and type really simple SSL. This is just taking your time. After that, click on install now button, then activate your plugin. After successful installation of the plugin, then just go to settings, then go to SSL. After that, here you will see an option where it will be written install SSL. So click on install SSL button. If there are 4 right green ticks, then it means your SSL has been successfully installed. Then just press F5 or simply log out and log in to your account. Then you will see here the secure option. That's done. Your website is now secured with SSL connection. So guys, subscribe our channel for latest news and tech updates.